I'm going to show you how to create a new Glog. First, go to the Glogster website and log into your account. That will bring you to this dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, it says Create New Glog. Select that link. Now here is where you get started. So you can choose a blank canvas to create your Glog on, or you can choose a template that's already available and already created for you to use. I would suggest if you're making your first Glog to use a template that is already created so you can explore the features available and go from there. And then once you gain confidence and learn more about Glog, then you can create your own from scratch. I'm going to choose the simple template here. You just click on it and it will open up and it will be your Glog. This will be saved on your dashboard. I'm going to show you how to change the font first, change the text and font. So you just select the words, and on the side here it will say Edit Text. It's just like a normal text box where you can type in. You can also change the font up here, the size, the color, if you would like it bold, italicized, underline, or the alignment as well. So I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, and that looks good to me. Okay. Next is adding images. So this template that I chose has places for images. First, before you add the image down here, you go up here to the toolbox and select image. So here's some that I already added, but I'm going to show you how to add a new image. So you can go to Google, type in what you're looking for. I think the easiest way is to drag it over to your Glogster and add it to that image toolbox. The image will load onto the Glog first. It should. Or maybe it just went right in here. Oh, let me try that again. I already have that picture, but it would just duplicate. So here you see it's loading onto the actual Glog. Once it's loaded, you can just delete that, because I think the fastest way to add image is to select where you want the image to go. Go back up to the image toolbox, select the image that you just added, and drag it to that square. That way it fits into the spot that you would like it to be in. And then you can play around if you want to make it larger, or if you want to move this box around. But it's still in that template space. Okay, I'll show you how to do this again with another image. So I'm going to choose this goat. And again, I'm just going to drag it down. I find that just to be the easiest way. Okay. So moving on to videos. Videos are pretty much the same as images. You go up here and find the video icon. And I think the simplest way is to add a link. So you can go to YouTube, find a video that works for you and that you want to add to your Glog. Copy the link, paste it, add a link. So again, it comes right directly to your Glog. You can just delete that because I want it in this box. So I'm going to click the box again. The video appears here and drag it to that box. That way it just fits perfectly in that square. Okay, so you can include more images. You can add text over here if you would like your students to explore that. You can move these images around to make it look more pleasing to you. Whatever you want to do there, you have a lot of options to work with. But I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned how to create your very first Glog. Happy creating. Goodbye.